First thing we're going to talk about is very simple, but it has to be said. Take your time. If you got an appointment, you got to be somewhere, leave early so you can be there early so you can take a relaxing drive to wherever you need to go to. Number 2, turn off your radio, turn off your cell phone. Pay attention to the road, relax, enjoy the scenery, watch the beautiful cars out there. Pay attention to your car. Listen to the engine, listen to the wheels rolling on the ground. Number 3, breathe. Count to 10 in between your breaths. That is the core to Zen. Number 4, look at your hands on the steering wheel. Are you clenching them? Relax. Relax your body. And the last thing is number 5, be thankful. Be grateful that right now your car is actually working and not broken down. Now, not everybody has a car. Instead of taking your car for granted, be glad that you can drive on a paved, safe road. Most importantly, be thankful that at the moment you're alive, you're healthy, and you're able to drive.